11 overs, absolute carnage, and me's nightmare continues. After a 3-hour rain delay, the match was slashed to 11 overs. Hardik won the toss, but Yashasvi Jaiswal chose Vayan smashing 77 off just 32 balls. But the real shocker, 15-year-old Webhav Suryavanshi destroying Jasprit Bumrah for 2 massive scoring 39 of 14. Hara posted a massive 150 thirds. Me needed 14 and over. Rohit and SKY, Gorne, Early, Sandip Sharma, and Ravi Bishnoi Stranglet the chase, leaving me stranded at 123 nines. RR wins by 27 runs and goes top of the table with a hat-trick of wins. Is me out of answers already?